हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द गुड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ परफ्यूम रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ एंड दिस इज अ गुरमॉन्ड फ्रेग्रेंस फ्रॉम द फ्रेग्रेंस वर्ल्ड ब्रांड। दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एज क्रेम ऑफ क्लाउड्स। लेट्स बिगिन विद द रिव्यू। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Talking about the packaging first, this comes in this very gorgeous cardboard box on which there is this it looks like it is painted with watercolors. I love the packaging, love the details that are in here, and they have literally given the complete picture of what the perfume is about. It has like vanilla, sugar elements and coconutiness, all of that, and the beautiful gorgeous bottle design is made right here. Behind you will find the quality assurance sticker and all the details, and this one is priced for around 2550 rupees. That's the MRP, and I have purchased it at around 2000 rupees from Scentopia. It was already on discount at scentopiaperfumes.com. I do have a non-affiliated coupon code in case you want to avail. It's non-affiliated. I'm not earning a penny out of it. It's only your choice whether you want to purchase that, any perfume from Scentopia using my code or not. It's just your choice, right? Now coming to the bottle, this is how gorgeous this bottle looks like. I love how beautiful this is, like this off-white creamy cloudy color, and it has this golden mesh like work going on, and this is embossed, like the golden work is embossed here, the mesh like work is embossed here, and it's plastic. Like this golden work is plastic, but it is good quality. Like the packaging looks absolutely stunning. Even if you see, the cap is so gorgeous, has like a golden rim and with a white center. Why I'm talking so much about the packaging is because, see, the cardboard box in this is minimal, but it is beautiful, it is classy. I like these kind of bottles which are not very spacious, which are travel friendly, and they don't compromise on the look and feel. This is so giftable and presentable, and this is, for 2000 rupees, this looks luxury, right? So this is exactly the kind of packaging I love, and it's artistic, it's worth the money, it's everything basically, right? So I absolutely love this one. The cap is not very tight, so don't try to hold the bottle from here. So this is how the atomizer is, and the atomizer is really nice. Like the sprayer is so nice, diffuses the product well. Now let's talk about this scent profile. To my nose, this one is a through and through gourmand fragrance. No floral notes, no spiciness. It's pure edible gourmand dream in my opinion. So this creme of cloud perfumes notes have lots of vanilla to it, mixed with coconut milk, some burnt sugar and whipped cream. You can literally imagine this to be a coconutty milkshake with vanilla ice cream mixed in with some sugar and whipped cream. Like, you can imagine how creamy, how smooth, how delicious, how mouth-watering this perfume is. But to my nose, it also kind of has like this waffle cone effect going on in this fragrance with hints of nuttiness. However, those are not the mentioned notes, but it feels like you had taken the vanilla ice cream along with the cone, the waffle cone, and then you had mixed it all up with, coconut milk and sugar and all of those elements. Maybe it's the burnt sugar that's playing in the background that is giving me that nutty cone effect, but it does feel like a waffle cone on which you have put in your tender coconut ice cream with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and it is topped with the shredded nuts like almonds or something. My god, this fragrance, yeah, my mouth starts watering when I talk about this fragrance because it's so yummy. It feels tasty. It's that level of gourmand, it's that level of edible. And I have a short story in which I will sum up everything what this fragrance is about. So I wore this fragrance and I was just running around the house doing some chores, and my 3.5-year-old daughter Shravya, she came to me and she was like, "Did you eat ice cream without me?" And I was like, what ice cream? I'm like doing household work and I'd forgotten that I've put on this perfume. And she was like, I smell ice cream. You are eating ice cream. And I was like, no, I'm not eating ice cream. Then I realized, oh God, it's my fragrance. And so I immediately got my perfume and I opened it and I showed it to her and I said, do you sniff? This is what you're sniffing. And then she was like, yes, it's so yummy. So I was like, oh my God, even a 3-year-old is able to identify that this one is something very sweet and ice cream like. So I think Fragrance World has just done amazing with this fragrance. If you are a coconut lover, if you like good sweet coconut fragrances, you will definitely like this one. Now, just because I'm saying it has coconut, it doesn't mean that it is meant as a tropical summer fragrance. No, you can use this all year around as a gourmand fragrance, and it will just do well during daytime as well as evening and nighttime. Absolutely love and been enjoying this fragrance. And you know, this has piqued my interest in Fragrance World perfumes. Like, I don't have many Fragrance World fragrances with me. I am more inclined towards Latafa and all because those are more readily available in India. But now Fragrance World, Fragrances, Arabiat, all of these brands have also come in as a competition. And I must say that I am enjoying Fragrance World fragrances as well. Now, this is the kind of fragrance which is, you know, not age restrictive. Like, everyone, right from teenagers to adults, can enjoy this one, and you'll not feel that this is juvenile by any means. Like, this is a very sweet, a very edible kind of a fragrance, but it also has a good sexy vibe to it. This is the kind of fragrance which is very good during intimate times, or whether you're going for a lunch, romantic lunch, or maybe a romantic dinner. I think this will make you smell irresistible and your partner will not be able to sniff your neck and be around you. So this is a kind of fragrance which is a sexy romantic kind of a fragrance, and it definitely is a pleaser kind of a fragrance in my opinion. So the overall feel of this fragrance is very gourmand, sweet, creamy, fluffy, irresistible kind of a fragrance, and my rating on this one is 10 out of 10. It's loud, it's projective, it's long lasting. You will get the wisp of this fragrance once in every hour, and this will easily go for 6 hours on me. This is a sticky fragrance that way. Good performance with kind of like 5-6 sprays, and if you go overboard with number of sprays, obviously it will be more long lasting. So good performing fragrance. Projection and sillage is also good. I did get compliments when I wore this. I'm leaving a good scent trail when I'm wearing this and going around places. People are observing, they are asking. So overall, this one is a hit. This one is a good performer, and that is the reason that overall my rating is 10 out of 10. This is also said to be inspired by or duping creme brulee from Theodoros Kalottinis. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering the brand name, but yeah, this is, I'll leave the details here. So this is a dupe of that, and I don't know whether it's a close dupe or not. I'm just reviewing this fragrance as it is, and my review on this one is a hit. It's a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend this one, only and only if you are a gourmand lover. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this review. If you did, hit the like button. Also leave me your suggestions, like which Fragrance World perfumes are you interested in watching. I'll try to buy those and I will try to review it. Also, if you have some recommendations and what you feel about this perfume, the one that I reviewed now, if you like it as much as I did, do let me know in the comment section. Let's make that area chatty. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.